How to recover Botim deleted messages. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Botim app on your device. If you have deleted message, there's no one way to recover from here. So what you can do is open settings and go to Google. And if there is backup available, back up everything. Sometimes backing up from here may recover it in the Botim as well. Another thing what you can also do is simply reinstall the app. Sometimes doing that may back up everything you have deleted earlier as well. And there is no other options of simply recovering from Botim app. These are the only options that you can use to recover deleted messages in Botim. This is how to recover Botim deleted messages. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.